Welcome, a little short quick video here on Hunters Point in San Francisco, California, and this is called car camping. Some of these folks, this is the only home they have, can't afford to rent down here in San Francisco, or they just don't have a home to live in. And this is in Hunters Point here. You can legally park alongside the road, at least I think it's legally. Quite a few people camping here. Some people have some nice rigs. Most people are living just in their cars, work trucks, whatever. Enjoy the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, this was in Hunters Point in San Francisco, California.
At the next stop sign, turn left.